Step 1. First, open the package. Step 2. Then, remove all accessories from the package. There is a spare heating tube. Take it out and keep it in a safe place. Step 3. Start assembling the accessories according to the included instructions. Step 4. Once assembly is complete, power on the machine, and adjust the temperature to a suitable setting for your material. Adjust the angle and set the length positioning according to your bending requirements. Step 5. Place the acrylic sheet onto the machine. Start the heating and bending process. Then use the angle fixture to shape and fix the desired angle. Congratulations! You have successfully completed the acrylic display stand.